Welcome back. Today we are making infused oil. So this is great for external applications in massage or for lip balms, your lotions or salves. It's also great for cooking or in salads. You would just want to use culinary herbs such as lavender or rosemary. And it is a cold process that I'm using. You can do a hot process. It takes not as long, but the cold process takes 3 to 6 weeks, so you just want to leave it in a sunny location so that the sun extracts the constituents from the plant. And other than that, you just want to label it when you are done, and we'll get started right now.